Decrying the recent attack by unidentified miscreants at the residence of Ima Shakti Sadan Home and NESO advisor Sinam Prakash, members of Nongchup Imphal Palim Ima Apunbalup Nimpal carried out a protest demonstration against the rise in gun culture in Manipur, all the while urging the state government to bring an end to the same. Taking part in the sit-in held at Kaishampat Kaisham Lekai Community Hall today, Nimpal General Secretary Shanti Laima asserted that there will be no peace in Manipur if gun culture prevails. She lamented over the strings of unfortunate incidents taking place in the state recently. She questioned the government's why it is allegedly remaining a mute spectator to the February 23rd incident and failed to book the culprits involved till date. She also refuted the government's claims that there is peace in the state and termed it as unfounded. She further demanded those concerned to give a public clarification on the attack at Prakash's residence at the earliest.
Momay mayam la aga hairaganda imung sida sangaga adigi mingjen thugai dana khokai kana adigi posei logona khotran tawi haiberi pose da main tawna koi tare ado masi punama ase matung da mohana tawbiganu ado tawriba group to so kanando kai no hato kai masak khangde akoi ira imale ba ke damakta akoi songsin biba adugumba oi bataragadi tawriba thabak to sigini akoi groups nani haibado koi phongdok biro Manipur government na lawbiri Manipur shanti leire na Manipur gal culture si phong leira kanda kanai gi shanti ngasi thoiba thodok asia office kaya mai thariba maran mai tanami kaya ma phariba imung mandong da akitu sing police kai degi la ino Manipur government na sisin thang lakba wapane na idi lojage gun culture sina amu kana thukapa po honna awaba phiba ma leiriba se masi kanana kangani ngasi sarkar paibiriba akoi gi aso sang sing hina Manipur government na kanbiro.
Meanwhile, speaking to media, Prakash's spouse Sinam Ongbi Somolata recalled the attack at her house by unknown miscreants on February 23rd midnight. She asserted that the miscreants damaged the rooms of their children and robbed their savings, including gold from the locker as well as 2 vehicles. She lamented that the incident has caused fear, psychosis and panic among the family members.
Koigi lungi kagi glass fast floor gize thugairaga moi chani chahumune numite je lakpaje mathakta moi aigi room je tawraga thugairaga changaga angang apikase pammaga leiri kanda moi thugaira changjalapana halaba aduman thugai ko kai tawde koi ki dana angang ji angang masajiga 10 exam bidriba koi khak leibani na ina ki dana hangdabani na haba sida thokiba thawdo to koi nupi angang ata leibani thengna ne thengnawa ingondadi yam thina akiba amsu oire nuaitabam su oire aduna isa nupi 10 thadu pakhale like su tawba ngamdre hoje ma aduga pigi angang masaji bokte mina ko bokte ki de ko rokpada hala mi bodo kanano kai na habi ko lebaki mapi mapa oiri ba hoje sarkar sina athuba matamda thidok piraga sengtok pirang na bazu apen tawjai.